Hi lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make these delicious twisted donuts. But before we get started, if this is your first time of stopping by, a warm welcome to you. And please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified when I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. So let's get started. In a clean bowl, I added in 260 ml of milk. Then go in with 120 grams of sugar. I added 2 eggs, 10 grams of yeast. So I will now go ahead and mix until it is well combined. Next, I'm going to be adding in 600 grams of flour, then 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of my homemade powdered milk. You can use any powdered milk of your choice, but homemade powdered milk is the best. So I'm going ahead now to mix everything together until a nice dough is formed. So check out the video on how to make homemade powdered milk on my page. Enjoy it with any recipe that requires powdered milk. I'm done mixing. A dough is now formed. I transfer the dough to my work surface and sprinkle some flour and start to knead for 1 minute. Once I'm done, I added in 70 grams of butter and start to knead until smooth for 12 to 15 minutes. Do you see how the dough looks like? So nice and smooth. So I went ahead to divide them into 16 parts. I folded them into round shapes until I am done with the rest of the dough. I'm done here, so I'm going to sprinkle some flour on them. Cover it and let it stand for 10 minutes. Exactly 10 minutes now. I took one of the dough out, rolled the length to 50 to 60 centimeters. Then I started to twist it, or you can do that to your desired shape. At the end, pinch it to seal. I repeated this process until I'm done with the rest of the dough. Once I'm done, I covered it and let it rise or until it doubles in size for about 40 to 45 minutes. Exactly 45 minutes now. As you can see, it has doubled in size. I'm going ahead to place my frying pan on my cooker, then add in some vegetable oil, allow to heat up. Once done, I added some of the donut into the oil and start to fry. Do not overfill your pan. Set your cooker on a medium heat. Not too high, not too low. Turn them over as soon as they become golden brown on the underside. Then remove and place on a paper towel. I repeated this process until I am done with the rest of the donuts. And we are done. It is ready and can be served with any chilled drink of your choice. Guys, this tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. You will love it, most especially your kids, friends, family. Hope you will be trying out this yummylicious recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not followed this page, please follow this page. Like, share and comment. Remain blessed. See you soon on my next video. Bye.